In class today, we're going to use the self-expressive strategies, and these are a self-expressive strategy called Mind's Eye. And self-expressive strategies help us become more imaginative and learn about your originality. So Mind's Eye is a really helpful strategy because it helps you connect images with words, and it helps stories come alive. So good reason why people have used this in the past, or why it's helpful, is because when researchers ask proficient readers how they read, they usually connect words with images, or they see the story coming alive and they predict or they ask questions as they read. The second thing is that when you're reading and you connect an image with a word, that's called dual coding, and it helps you learn longer and deeper. So that's the type of strategy we're going to explore today.
Yeah. All right, and so we're going to read a story from the Ramayana, which is a Hindu legend. And kind of to give you some context of the part of the story that we're going to be reading, before the part that we're going to talk about, it has to deal with Rama, who is an avatar of the god Vishnu. And it's his life story with Sita. He gets married to Sita, and then Sita gets captured by Ravana, who is an evil god deity. And then this is the story of Hanuman, who's half monkey and half human, and he goes to save Sita from the island of Lanka, where she is taken.
Yeah. So to start out, before we read the story, we're going to read out 15 words, and each of these words they're taken from the story, and we're going to pass out this worksheet, and you're going to either, after we read all of them, you'll either draw a picture of the movie that's going on in your mind with each word, or you'll make a prediction about how this word is going to be used in the story, or you'll write down an emotional response that you have, like what type of response. And also the question as well, making a question. So we'll read the words, and then when we read the words, just be thinking in your mind about what either a question or an image or a prediction or an emotion. And then after we read all of them, then you can do the directions and draw or write on the piece of paper. Does that make sense? Okay. So we'll read the words. Okay. Mountain, grove, lush, uprooted, fire,
Palace, tail, demoness, monkey, and reach.
captivity, havoc, patrol, ring, and ornament. Okay. So now we'll take 5 minutes, and you can use these words to either draw or make a question, prediction, or emotion.
About what you think is going to happen in the story. And if you have any questions, raise your hand and we can try to clear anything up.